Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A movie streaming service charges a flat monthly fee of $8 plus $3 per premium movie rented. If a customer's bill for 1 month is $26, write and solve an equation to find how many premium movies the customer rented. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start by defining our variable. Let n represent the number of premium movies rented. That is the value we are trying to find. Now we translate the words into an equation. The flat fee of $8 plus $3 times the number of movies equals the total bill of $26. So our equation is 8 plus 3n equals 26. To isolate the term with n, we subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. On the left, 8 minus 8 cancels out, leaving 3n. On the right, 26 minus 8 equals 18. So we get 3n equals 18. Next, we divide both sides by 3 to solve for n. 3n divided by 3 is just n, and 18 divided by 3 is 6, so n equals 6. Let's check our answer by substituting 6 back into the original equation. 8 plus 3 times 6 equals 8 plus 18, which equals 26. That matches the total bill, so our answer is confirmed. The answer is 6. The customer rented 6 premium movies during that month. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.